In a moment, I'm going to tell you the best way to make a fortune, what I refer to as the golden rule. And when it comes to investing, the best time to make money is when everybody else is freaking out. So if you buy the same stocks that everybody loves, then there are not that many incremental investors out there willing to buy the stock to push it higher. And my hero, Wayne Gretzky, I'm Canadian, my hero Wayne Gretzky once said, the reason he was so successful was not because he skated to where the puck is, rather because he skated to where the puck is going to be. We need to be the same way. We need to be a contrarian if we want to make a fortune. So here, in a second, here is the best indicator when to back up the truck and buy stocks no matter what. I'll show you in a second. And when I show you this indicator in a second, we need to be highly unemotional and buy stocks, even though it might feel like there is chaos around us. Because when it comes to investing, things are never as good as we think, and things are never as bad as we think. We always have to be unemotional when investing, and in all aspects of business. And Warren Buffett said to be greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy. He also said the New York Stock Exchange is the only store in the world where consumers sell stuff when it goes on sale. So let me show you the golden rule to investing. So the first thing we do is we go to Yahoo Finance. Then what we're going to do is we're going to type up the ticker for the VIX, VIX, and I'll explain what this means. So VIX is a volatility index, and when stocks are very, very volatile, it means there's a lot of fear out there. And so when the VIX spikes, you need to back up the truck, okay? When it spikes to an all-time high. If I look at it, I can see that every now and then it spikes. And let me show you what this means, because every chart tells a story. So let's take a look together. So right here, the VIX spiked to around 30, okay? And that was because of the leading up to the Gulf War, okay? Gulf War #1. And usually what happens is, it's terrible, but when the first bomb drops, that's when the market rallies because it's priced in. Then if we look over here, we see this here was the Asian financial crisis, okay? And that was the fall of 98. I remember I worked at Goldman then. Things were so scary that Alan Greenspan, the Federal Reserve chairperson, unexpectedly cut rates to help the market, and the trading floor went nuts. I'll never forget that. Then over here, we have 9/11. Of course, there's a lot of fear then. And right here, this is leading up to the Gulf War II, and when the first bomb dropped and the Statue of Saddam fell in March or April, whatever it was, of 2003, that's when there's maximum fear. Okay, that's when you buy. All right, let me show you a couple more data points so that I can end this topic. Okay, so right here, this here was the fall of 2008. Okay, we were within 24 hours of bank machines not working, and right here, it got up to just under 80. Okay, and at that point in time, everyone was thinking, oh my God, things are so scary. I can never buy, the world's ending. Things are never as bad as we think. But I want to show you more recently. Okay, so right here, this was COVID. Okay, and I know it shows 65 here. It's actually a lot more. So let me do a 1 year to show you what it actually was. Here it is here. It was over, and let me delete these drawings here. It was actually over 80 right here, okay? It was the highest the VIX has ever been. There's maximum fear, and smart people like Elon Musk were buying their own stock. And so the bottom line is, when you see the VIX, ticker VIX, when you see the VIX spike to an all-time high, no matter what, you have to back up the truck and buy, because nobody else will.